Now we are turning into something called as another game show. Read my lips. माझे नो एकमेकाचे. Ready?
Ready.
All right. All right. Read my lips with Amsaba Walter and by Christina. Are you all ready?
Yeah.
So you all will have only 30 seconds.
Okay.
You have to put the headphones on and then he will tell you what it is.
Okay.
Okay? Okay. Walter, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, give it to me. And your time starts now.
What? Bird? Cow? Cowdo? Cowdo? Cow तोड़ mata. Cow kota.
Yes,
Yeah?
you're right. You got one point. Correct.
Oh my god. Yeah, that was good.
All right, okay. Second chance. Ready? And your time starts now.
Paus. Pausache. What is this supposed to be? Pausache this?
Yes.
What are you trying?
You got it, yeah.
Yeah, I was like,
See, he is very
I'm gonna
good.
make it too tough for him.
So easy
All
can
right. Okay. One more, one last chance. Okay?
This is fun.
Put it.
We should play more.
Yeah. Put it.
Anik got chance. Very tough.
Okay. And your time starts now.
Abe? Ambo? Ambe? Teatris Ambe? Ambe? Ami?
Very tough.
What is that action? Ambe? Ambe?
Okay.
Very tough.
Okay.
Yeah, see, it's tough. Yo.
Tell her.
आंबे पिकल्यात.
Say it.
ऐकू येतं का? आंबे
कितने?
पिकल्यात.
Well, that wasn't Ambe because that
तू आणि कॉमेडी आंबे हिम असे.
Okay, all right. Okay.
Yeah, literally. Ambe.
All right. Read my lips with these two people, grand personalities here. Let's see how they do it. So, Christina, are you ready?
Yeah, ready. Is it written in Konkani? Oh,
Okay. And your time starts now.
Tambade.
Hey. Lips.
Tambade.
Lips.
क्या?
Tambade.
No.
Tambade.
No, you cannot say it.
Okay. I have to say like that. Okay.
चाव पी रहे? हाँ? किधर?
Tambade. Okay. Tambade.
You cannot say that.
Tambade. It's so funny. How am I supposed to
Your
say
lips. Asti.
किधर?
I'm
किती
sorry.
बड़ा चाव पी रहे?
Say
I'm sorry. Yeah, actually. It's Tambade Rosa.
तांबडे चाव पी रहे मुठ साले पहिले. चाव पी.
I'm sorry.
चाव.
Okay, you have to. Another
Don't
one.
yeah,
Another one. Okay, and your time starts now.
आंबट तिकू.
Yes.
आंबट टिक कोडी.
Yes, bro, you got it.
Okay, you have to lip sing it, okay?
I can't do it, Candida. It's not the way it is. I don't know why am I whispering when he's wearing his yoga.
Alright, okay. Okay, एक point दिला.
होय.
Okay, tie झालं दिसतं मला बघा. Last one is there.
Oh, you put your music is so Oh. Oh.
You cannot say it louder.
Ready?
And your time starts now.
FC Goa.
Done, man.
Oh, good job, brother.
All right, well done, well played.